Diego Costa will have a trial with Wolves this week. If he impresses, Wolves are expected to move quickly to sign the former Chelsea and Atletico Madrid forward following the ACL injury suffered by new signing Sasa Kaladzic this weekend. Costa is a free agent and being the largest side can sign him outside the transfer window. Wolves had been looking for a new striker since the start of the summer and thought they found the answer when they brought Kaladzic from Stuttgart in a £15.5 million deal plus add-ons. But the Molineux club confirmed in a statement on Sunday that the 6'7" striker had picked up his long-term injury during his debut against Southampton, which Wolves won 1-0. The setback was a double blow for Wolves on Saturday, with larger losing striker Raul Jimenez to injury in a warm-up, with the Mexican striker having an on and off injury problems since the start of pre-season this summer. Since leaving Chelsea in the summer of 2017, Costa spent 3.5 years at Atletico Madrid, scoring 19 goals in 81 matches in all competitions before his contract was mutually terminated in December 2020. The forward joined Atletico Madrid in August 2021 and scored 5 times in 19 games, but saw his contract terminated in January of this year. Costa has spent the last 8 months away from football but could make a stunning move back to the Premier League should his trial end up being successful.
That's it today on Sport Roundup. Make sure you keep it a date with us tomorrow. We'll be right here. I remain that person you always want to listen to, Timmy K.